Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be talking about TradingView. So if you're new to TradingView, this is the right video for you. You want to learn how to use the tools and how to customize the TradingView to your test. This is the right video for you. But before then, please like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. So guys, if you sign up to TradingView on your browser or the app, it appears like this. This is the default setting for TradingView. This is how it looks like, and then you can see a lot of everything is showing on your screen. Okay, I'll show you how to get it into a full mode screen and then how to exit from that, because a lot of you sometimes you click on a button and then it takes you to the full screen mode and then you don't know how to go back, stuffs like that. Today I'll be showing you all of that, but I want us to start from the watch list first, from this place. Now if you click on the watch list, this shows you the pair you want to watch, which means you can easily select which of this pair, and then you can as well add some of these pairs, like by clicking on this add symbol. Then whichever pair you want to add, you just use the plus icon in, and then if it's not showing here, you can just search like the USD JPY. You can just search it and then you add it. You see it's showing right here. Now the importance of this is that whenever you go to the full mode screen, you can use the space bar. Well, I'm using a Windows, so whichever button or shortcut keys I'm calling is based on the Windows. So if you're using an Apple, a Mac, or a Linux operating system, you have to look that up. Okay, so using the space bar is going to navigate through your watch list, all the pairs through your watch list. You can see how it's changing from the dollar index to the euro USD. Okay, now you can also exit from the full screen, and if you want to go back to the full screen, you have to click on this icon, and you can see we have the shortcut displayed there which says full screen mode, use shift plus F. So if I click on my keyboard, shift plus F, then that is it. And then if I want to go back, it's left for me to use the escape key on my keyboard, or just take my mouse pointer to the top of my screen, and then I get this pop down icon, then I exit to this place. Now the second thing I want you to know is how to use some of these tools right here. So if you are on the full screen, you see that it's no longer there, you cannot find it, you have to go back to the other view to get it. So going back and forth, that would be a big issue for some of us. So I'll show you how to bring it to the full screen. I'll show you how to bring it to the top of your screen, whichever place you want to place it. So let's go. All you have to do is to click on this icon. It will bring out a lot of tools. You have to choose the basic ones you do like to use. For me, I like the Fibonacci retracement tool, this one, and then I'll just be choosing the basic ones for you. The long and short tool, this is the most used tool, I must say, in TradingView. And also I use this brush to make some drawings, arrow maker, then rectangle. I use a lot of these tools. So this is okay for now. Let's go to the full screen. Don't forget shift plus F and then escape to exit. Shift plus F, escape to exit for Windows operating system. Now you can see we have our tools right here. You can do whatever you want with it. You can drag it to whichever angle you want to drag it to, and then if you want to make use of any of these two, you just click on it. This long and short tool is for a long position. If you want to buy, this is what you use. You place it from the point where you want to buy, and then when price taps you in, then you can see the color showing and then how it's reading, and this is your stop loss. The red place is always a stop loss. Same thing for the short position, it's just the opposite. If you want to sell, it looks like this, and then a lot of things you like to see here. And then you see it also calculates your win ratio, or let me say your win rate at this point right here. If you tap on it, you see it at that point right there. Also, I want to use this as my favorite, this cross. So whenever I choose a tool and then I want to exit the tool, you can see I need to exit it, so you just click on this place, that is it. So I can move any other tool. So you see it calculates your ratio, 1:, this is 1:1. So if I pull it down, you can see 1:2 right there. If I put it a little bit, you see 1:3. So this is all the tools I need to make my trading easy for me. To make trading easy, they don't do much, they just make your trading easy for you. And the right angle tools, I can use that to mark out my point of interest. Maybe I want to sell from there, I will just mark it out when price comes there, then I set my tool, then I sell from there. Now if you want to delete all of these symbols, all you have to do is control and then drag to highlight everything. Okay, then you see this delete button, then you just delete them. If you don't want to do that, or if you want to revert the process, just Ctrl Z, you'll revert every process. And then you can just exit the screen and come to this delete button and then remove 7 drawings. See, the total drawing there was 7. You can revert it by Ctrl Z for Windows. So remove all drawings, or better still, you just highlight all of this, you delete, you highlight, you delete. But I prefer to use this shortcut button, remove every tool. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you is how to customize your candlesticks. If you're an ICT traders, you see how ICTs customize his own candlesticks to his preferred colors. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now all you have to do is to go to the settings, you right click, come to the settings, and then under symbols, these are the default colors. So if you want to, you can drag this to see the beauty of what you are doing. So for ICT colors, this has this green, this light green. You can use whichever one you want. The body black, then I'm using same green for all of the drawing. Okay, I'm going to be doing this until it's match. Okay, black. All of this on the right side is just black. Then the borders should be black as well. I think this is it. Yep, this is it. Let me see the borders on the wick. The wick is black and the borders is black. Okay, this is it. Black, green. Just the body of the candle should be green. Okay, then you go back to canvas solid. You change this solid to gradient. Now we're going to use this color, and then this color. Then you have to remove these lines. To remove this line, you come to this grid lines, choose white, come here and then choose white, and make sure you zero this opacity. You zero the opacity, and then okay, here we have it. ICT's customization. You can also add trademark if you want to. Trademark shows you what pair you are into. You see, Euro USD, it shows your daily time frame thereabout. You can also unclick it. I don't like to see it, so I don't think there's a need for it. And also you can reduce and increase the opacity, so just reduce it slightly or just take it off, or better still unclick it if you don't need it. Okay, so I don't really use it. I'm okay with my screen like this. So this is how ICT's customization looked like. And also there is an easy way to navigate through time frame. if you want the 1 minute time frame, you just type 1. Takes you to the 1 minute time frame. And then when you right click, you can just, maybe when you zoom out too big and then you want to resize it, just right click and then reset chart view. Takes you back to normal. Okay, takes you back to normal. This is the 1 minute time frame. If you want to go to the 5 minutes, just type 5 and enter. Takes you to the 5 minute time frame. And the hourly time frame, if you want the 1 hour, just type 1H. Takes you to the 1 hour. If you want the 4 hour, just type 5H. Takes you to the 4 hour. And for the weekly time frame, if you want the 1 week, just 1W. Takes you there. For the monthly, 1M. Takes you to the monthly. Now if you feel like searching for currency pairs, you want to search for currency pairs, you can just type the keyword SAUUSD for gold. Takes you there. If you want to search that of Euro USD, or let's say USD JPY, you just type it, then you select whichever. These are different brokers, so you select whichever you want to use. I prefer to use forex.com, so you just select it. That is it. Takes you there, and then you can delete, you can lock, you can delete, and you can unlock. Now what this means that if, let me take you to the daily time frame, reset. What this means that if you lock a tool, means that you cannot move it no matter what. You have to unlock it. So sometimes mistakenly, when you are playing with your mouse or analyzing, you just mistakenly take it off like this. Okay, so to take it back, you have to use Ctrl+Z, but to be safe with that, you just lock it. So whatever you do, it's safe. And then your tools are up here. You can adjust it. If you feel like it's blocking something there, you can just adjust it and then use it whenever you want. Click on it, play around with it, and then if you want to drop the tool, just click on this icon for this drawing tool. But for this, you don't have to go there and click it. But for this drawing tool, it always has a way of keeping itself stick even when you are done using it. So to do that, just click on this cross. That is it. And if you want to delete, you can unpause this and then highlight all, then you delete. So guys, this is very easy, but I believe if you keep playing around, you get to see a lot of things about TradingView. A lot of things I've not talked about on this video. You get to see them and then you understand better. And then we have this tool here showing you alerts, and then charts. You see a lot of people chatting here, dropping different views of trade, a lot of things. You can expand it by dragging it off to see what they're saying. You can open it and you see people dropping signals and all of that on, this is on gold a lot. So that is how it is, guys. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on this video. Thank you.